Okay, this is going to be an unboxing of the Ninja Foodi Deluxe pressure cooker. So it's 8-quart. Okay, so let's see what we got here. Okay, so top of the box we got instructions here. We'll get to that in a minute. It's pretty heavy. Take everything out and kind of go over the different parts. I think this is supposed to be a 9-in-1, a 12-in-1. I have to read a little more to see which one it is. This thing is heavy. Definitely a meaty machine. Meaty meaning big in size. I'm just getting my plastic off. This thing is heavy. Wow. Okay. A lot of components to it. Pan. I definitely have to see what these different pans and parts are for. So this is supposed to be an 8-quart. This looks like about an 8-quart too. Yeah. Okay. Nothing else comes out. Here. sure where that sits. We'll figure that out later. So I guess, let's see, turn this around. This thing is heavy. I'm gonna have to pick the camera up to show you. But I didn't show you guys. I forgot to show you the other racks that came with the Ninja Food pressure cooker. So I did show you guys this tray here. And I had the other tray and top sitting to the side that I didn't show you. So this is the other tray. And this is another top. Now this says, this is some type of valve. So I guess this is the pressure cooker valve. Oh, prevent steam from escaping. Anyway, this looks like the pressure cooker valve when you do the pressure cooking. So yeah, I just wanted to come back and show you the other parts that I forgot to show you. So yeah, this is definitely the top for the pressure cooker. I have a pressure cooker, but it's not this. So yeah. And then also I want to show you in the instruction guide the different ways you can set up the trays again. So let me see if I can move this. So it looks like this tray will sit down, and the other tray, let me see, this tray will sit down, and then this tray will sit on top some kind of way. I have to play around with it and you know, work with it. Anyway, this is the gist of it here. This is a better view of it in the light. Focus from the side. Yeah, so again, all it's two pot like parts to come out. This one also detaches, as I showed you earlier. Yeah, so again, I'm looking forward to using it. Like I said, I'll probably do some potato wedges first. Seems to be the easiest. So I'll try that, and I'll see if I can upload a video of me doing that, preparing those in the Ninja Deluxe. Yeah, so this was an awesome gift. I really like it. Yep. All right.